When it's pouring outside and the cravings kick in, there's nothing better than a steaming bowl of soul-soothing noodle soup. Today we're cooking up two rainy day favorites, a fragrant Vietnamese style pho and a spicy, heartwarming chicken thukpa straight from the hills. Let's first start with the Vietnamese style pho. For this, start with a large pot. On medium-high heat, dry roast whole spices like cinnamon, cloves and star anise just until they are warm and aromatic. Now add in chopped onion, slices of ginger and garlic, vegetable stock cubes, light soy sauce and water. Now bring it to a rolling boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The flavors infuse deep and slow. Meanwhile, cook your rice noodles as per the pack instructions and set them aside. In a separate pan, saute mushrooms in a touch of oil seasoned with salt and white pepper until they are golden and tender. Now strain the simmer broth. You want it clear, light and bursting with aroma. Now to assemble, add cooked noodles, sauteed mushrooms and soft tofu cubes into a deep bowl. Now top it with crunchy carrots, basil, mint, coriander, spring onions and a lemon wedge. Fresh, herbal, comforting, this pho is like a warm hug on a cold day. Fresh, herbal, comforting, this pho is like a warm hug on a rainy day. Now next up is the spicy chicken thukpa. For this, begin by preparing a simple stock. Boil chicken with water, cloves and a whole onion. Let it simmer till the broth is rich and the chicken is tender. Next, blend together tomato, onion, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, green chili and a touch of Szechuan pepper into a smooth paste. Now heat oil in a wok and saute this masala for 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant and slightly thick. Now toast in sliced carrots and shredded cabbage. Stir fry them till just tender. Now add the prepared chicken stock and season with salt. Let it come to a gentle boil. Now to serve, place boiled noodles in a bowl, ladle in the hot broth, add shredded chicken and drizzle some chili soy sauce. Now top it with spring onions and coriander, and just like that, your spicy Himalayan style chicken thukpa is ready. So whether it's the clean broth of Vietnamese pho or the bold, fiery comfort of a chicken thukpa, these noodle soups are the perfect way to turn any rainy day into a cozy one. So go ahead, slurp, savor and stay warm. Which one will you try first? Do let us know in the comments.